Are you always looking for unique gadgets? If yes, then we have got some satisfying tools for you. Researching out-of-the-box tools can take time, so we saved some time for you and gathered the best 8 satisfying tools that you must see. Links to all the products are available in the video description. Now let's get started. Number 1. Glue Dot's Dot Shot Pro Dispenser Gun. A handheld device that looks like a small glue gun but doesn't make a mess. It doesn't squeeze out liquid glue. Instead, it gives you neat little dots of glue right where you want them with a squeeze of the trigger. These glue dots can be used for so many things. They can be used on metal, glass, paper, plastic, and more. This dispenser can handle do-it-yourself jobs, quick repairs, or arts and crafts. The best part is it does not need to dry. Just press the dot and you're good to go. The Dot Shot Pro is made to fit comfortably in your hand, so your wrists won't tire like with some tools. Plus, you can refill it. You can just put in a new roll when you run out of dots. This saves money and is better for the environment. Number 2. Prazi Beam Saw. This handy tool takes your circular saw's cut depth from just 2.5 inches all the way up to a whopping 12 inches. That's like giving your saw a major boost in strength. Even at a 45-degree angle, it still cuts an impressive 8 inches deep. So you're covered for those angled cuts too. Installation is super easy. Prazi made sure this beam cutter attachment fits on most popular circular saw brands like Skill, Bosch, Makita, DeWalt, and Craftsman 7.25 or 8.25 inch worm drive circular saws. No complicated instructions or tools needed. Just snap it on in under a minute and all done. There's no need to remove any parts from your saw, making it super convenient. Prazi is proudly American and their quality shine through in their design. It's made from builders who need both power and precision, and this attachment doesn't just boost your saw's power. It's quieter and safer compared to a chainsaw for those bigger cuts. It lets you get those large cuts done in a single pass, which saves you time and reduces the chances of errors. This attachment is versatile too. It's like having a multi-tool for cutting. Whether you are working with beams, logs, or thick blocks, you can handle a variety of tasks. 12-inch cuts, rafters, mitters, stairs, arches, logs, and even ripping. It's perfect for everything from intricate cuts to major construction needs, giving you the efficiency and precision you want. Number 3. 935DAF Digital Angle Finder. If you're working on a project that needs precise angles, especially for those perfect mitter joints, you know how important accuracy is. That's where this efficient mitter saw protractor comes in. With this tool, you will get exact measurements, helping you nail the perfect cuts every time. This protractor is specifically designed to make your life easier. You can quickly measure the angles you need, and it instantly calculates the ideal angle for your saw blade. Whether you're cutting for a frame, trim, or even crown molding, this tool takes the guesswork out and gives you confidence that every cut will line up just right. The machine ruler edges add an extra layer of precision too. It's built to be accurate within a small margin of error, just plus or minus 0.2 degrees, so you're getting the most reliable results possible. And for anyone who has ever struggled to read measurements in low lighting, the bright white LED display on this tool is a game changer. You can read it clearly no matter the lighting conditions, which saves time and hassle. This tool is built to last, made from sturdy, rust-resistant metal with deeply etched markings. You can count on it and hold up over time. No worrying about faded numbers or measurements that wear away. It's designed for professionals and DIYers alike who want a high-quality, long-lasting tool. Number 4 is a 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. This great global industrial 4-in-1 portable workbench with power strip is really great. Imagine having a workspace helper that could do almost everything you need, whether you're fixing something, making something, or just putting your tools away. First, it's a desk, a dolly, a creeper, and a platform all in one. Yes, you did hear that right. It can help you move big things, make a workspace, slide under a car, or even give you a little boost if you need to get to something up high. It's even better because you can change the height if you need a low walker. You can set it as low as 3 to 9 by 16 inches. If you need to stand, you can set it as high as 30.5 inches. You can use it for any job because it's adaptable and gives you the support and comfort you need at the right height. Plus, it has 3 110-volt power plugs built right in, which is very useful. Yes, you can plug in anything you need on the bench, including your tools and chargers. Number 5. Aux Tools 10-inch Cat's Paw Pry Bar. It's not just any pry bar, it's a small but powerful one that can get into tight spots and pull out nails like a pro. Do you need to get into a tight space or pull back wall trim? Because it's shaped like a tiny pry bar. It's very flexible and easy to use in tight spaces. The best part is it's a marvel of many uses. This useful tool does everything. It can be used to pull out nails, pry open things, take out staples, and even help take off trim. Don't need to carry around a bunch of different tools when you have this one. This tool is useful for many tasks, so it's a must-have for any construction or do-it-yourself job, whether you're doing a full renovation or just some simple home improvements. Worried about your grip? Do not be. It's made so that this tool stays in your hand with a comfortable rubber grip that won't slip. Plus, it's comfortable enough that you can work longer without getting your hands tired. Put an end to slipping and pulling. Number 6. Lewis Chainsaw Winch Model 400. This tool is tough and it can really pull things apart, like a chainsaw and a winch having a child. This is pretty much what you get. Something strong, portable, and very useful for moving big things. The Model 400 is great because it works with many chainsaws. Putting it on your saw is all it takes to have a strong winch at your fingertips. At this point, it can pull about 4,000 pounds, which is pretty amazing for something you can carry around. This can handle the load, whether you're a shooter, a logger, or just someone who likes being outside. But it's not just about brute strength. This winch is made to be simple to use. Get it ready, wrap the line around what you want to move, and then start moving. You don't have to stand right next to the big stuff because there's a 150-foot cable that's like having a machine help you out that doesn't complain or ask for coffee breaks. The best part is it's made to last. It's tough and can handle anything you throw at it. It's raining or muddy, rough ground, this tool can handle anything. Number 7. Products FeatherPRO FP1. When it comes to safety and control, the FeatherPRO is the best tool for anyone who uses a table saw. Think of a simulated brake that stops kickback almost completely. That's what the FeatherPRO does. Its one-of-a-kind design, which is made of EVA and a living hinge, holds the board against the fence. It has up to 5 times more kickback resistance than regular plastic or wood feathers, so you can work with trust knowing you're safer. But FeatherPRO is not just safe, it also gives you the best power over your feed, because the EVA feathers touch your object more. It slides across the table more smoothly, and you can keep your grip on the wood as you feed it through. The EVA feathers keep things in place, which makes the cut smoother than with plastic feathers that let the wood move around. When it comes to cuts, FeatherPRO really shines. EVA feathers soak up vibrations and cut down on the annoying chatter that you might hear from other materials. This makes it possible to cut very precisely without leaving lines on even the softest woods. Plus, the feathers won't hurt carbide edges or safety systems like SawStop if you hit them with a blade or bit by mistake. FeatherPRO feathers can also be changed to fit your needs. You can quickly switch between standard and ultra flex feathers. They can be used for a long time because they can be turned around, replaced, and swapped out. For mounting, the FeatherPRO comes with patented Anchor Pro hardware that makes it fit very securely in the midder slot. It also has ergonomic knobs that make changes easily. It even comes with a T-bolt for T-rack mounts, so it can be used with a lot of different setups. Number 8. Jake's Wire Tightener. When it comes to wiring, these little guys are your new best friends. Imagine that you are working on a project like fixing something around the house, putting up Christmas lights, or making something yourself. You need a safe and effective way to keep everything in place. That's why Jake's wire tighteners are useful. 20 of these cool quarter-inch tighteners are in each pack. You will have enough for all of your projects that way. They're really easy to use. You can see how well it holds the wire in place as you put it into the tightener and twist it. You don't have to worry about wires or connections getting loose anymore. You can be sure that these tighteners will keep everything in place, giving you peace of mind. Jake's wire tighteners are great because they can be used for many things. They work on a lot of different things, from art projects to electrical wiring. It's like having magic in your tools. They also come in a pack of 20, so you will always have extra on your hands for when you have another great idea. So which of these products would you choose for yourself? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the product links in the video description. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.